is the second video of the solutions to the practice test for test number 1 for intermediate algebra and for my third period class, Shoosh yah. Okay. First of all, 10, 11, and 12 examples of each of these. Since I just said come up with an example, you could almost put anything. Commutative property is where the numbers are switching order. So you could have had 7 plus 3x equals 3x plus 7. Just showing that they're switching places. Commutative just means switching of the places or the orders. Associative, that's changing grouping. So, same thing. You could have even just had 5 plus the quantity 2. Oops, it says multiplication. I better use multiplication. Scratch that, editing. Okay. So, multiply. So, 5 times quantity 3 times 2. Well, there's associative property multiplication means you can change the grouping, and we can change it to 5 times 3 and then times 2. Okay, and it means the same thing. An example of the distributive property. 2 times x minus 3. Take everything outside, multiply times each of the terms inside. So that equals 2x minus 6. So those are just simple examples. Yours are probably different, but as long as they're on the same lines, you're fine. Okay, 13, 14, 17, and 18. Just solve each of these. Add 5 to both sides. 12x equals 60. Okay, get rid of the 12 in front of the x. We divide. 60 divided by 12, x equals 5. Yay! Number 14. Okay, there's a lot of stuff going on this first side of the equation, so we're going to simplify. This 19x and this negative 4x can go together and make 15x. 27 and 4. 27 plus 4 is 31. So that equals negative 29. Okay, now it's just like number 13, a two-step equation. Subtract 31 from both sides. 15x. Negative 29 minus 31 is negative 60. Divide both sides by 15. Okay, 60 divided by 15 is 4. So negative divided by positive is negative, so negative 4. Okay. All right, 17. Yes, there's a problem like this on the test. You need to find the common denominator and multiply both sides of the equation by the common denominator. 5 and 2, their common denominator is 10. So multiply both sides by 10. Remember, to make 10 look like a fraction, put a 1 under it. To help you remember, just multiply the 10 by the numerators. So 10 times x is 10x. 1 times 5 is 5. Minus 10 times x is 10x. 1 times 2 is 2. 6 times 10 is 60. Once we've done that, we're going to go through and cancel. 10 divided by 5 is 2. So this side ends up being 2x, that term. And then minus 10 divided by 2 is 5. So this becomes 5x equals 60. 2x minus 5x is negative 3x. I'm running out of room. Equals 60. Divide both sides by negative 3. Okay. So x will equal 60 divided by negative 3, negative 20. All right. And the last one, we have x's on both sides. So over on the other side, we need to simplify. So this will just stay 2x plus 6 equals 10x. We need to do the distributing first. Don't forget to distribute the negative. Negative 2 times 2x is negative 4x. Negative 2 times negative 1. Negative times negative is positive. 1 times 2 is 2. So we have the 2x plus 6 equals, add the 10x, subtract 10x minus 4x is 6x plus 2. Okay, subtract 2x from both sides. So 6 equals 4x plus 2. Subtract 2 from both sides, and then again. The 4 equals 4x. Divide by 4, x equals 1. Okay, hope this helped. See you at the test tomorrow. Bye.